How to use Windows Clipboard Sync across devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to use Windows Clipboard Sync across different devices. First, you need to go ahead and open up your settings. For that, click on the settings icon here to open it up, then find System. And from your System menu, you need to find your clipboard. Scroll down here and you'll see your clipboard settings. Tap on it. Make sure that you've enabled your clipboard history. Make sure this toggle is turned on. And then you can find this option called clipboard history across your devices. Click on this toggle to turn it on as well. Make sure you automatically sync the text that copied. And then from there, what you want to do is to select your account. So what happens is if you're logged into your Microsoft account, you can use Microsoft Swift on your phone and your clipboard history will be synced across different devices. If you want to manually sync the text that you copy, you can do that as well. But to access your clipboard, you can press Windows plus V and you'll find your clipboard right here. That is basically it, guys. That's how you turn on clipboard history and sync across devices on your Windows. I hope this was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.